This is how you dump your dirty tanks and drain them. Now, if we come down here, we're going to see our big tube right here, which is going to be your dirty tank flush out. As you can notice, you're gonna have two handles in each side. This side, you'll have the gray tank, which is your sink drainage, and over here, you will have your black. Now, to drain each, make sure you pull your handle out and everything should flush out. I'm about to show you the cylinder that connects here to your draining system. Over here is going to be your extended dumping hose inside of this big cylinder in the passenger side. Just open it up and you can hook this side to your dumping tube and take this wherever you need to dump your waste. Once you're done, just put it back into your cylinder, close it up if you want to use a lock so it doesn't get lost, and you're good to go.